Hey guys, Russ Cahoon here. Welcome back to another episode of Micro Minute. And today we're talking cloud security. So last month we heard about yet another cloud data breach. This time 10 million records were exposed, including credit card data. And it was through a third-party service provider that's associated with many of the common travel booking websites. And basically the incident happened because of an open AWS S3 bucket that was misconfigured, publicly available on the internet. So as you can tell, this is more and more commonplace. This is something we're hearing about more frequently, and it's one of the main risk areas when it comes to public cloud for IT, security, and risk leaders. And Gartner is actually projecting that next year, public cloud spending is supposed to increase by 18.4%, which is pretty significant given the level of cloud spending that we're at today. And one of the fastest growing segments of that public cloud spend is actually around application services or platform as a service, PaaS. And that's supposed to grow by 26.6%. So, cloud isn't going anywhere anytime soon. It's here to stay. We're not slowing down, and it's just becoming more and more complex and challenging. So, what are the challenges that organizations are facing when they're dealing with consuming public cloud services? Well, first you have, many different products and options coming from many different public cloud providers. And some of the household names are AWS, Azure, and GCP. And second, Gartner is predicting that through to 2025, 99% of the cloud security incidents that happen will be the customer's fault, meaning that the blame won't be on the cloud service providers. It's actually going to be the people who's consuming the cloud. So the misconfiguration piece is going to be, a huge risk factor for a lot of organizations going forward. And auditing and aligning, different cloud services with internal or external frameworks around compliance and policies is very challenging because the infrastructure is always changing. It's constantly, moving parts, and it's dynamic, right? And also, you could have multiple teams or different business units with, different cloud projects. You might have teams that have varying levels of expertise and skills when it comes to cloud. Or want to choose different providers, and they also, might have potentially limited security knowledge. So how do you address some of these concerns? Well, that's where CSPM comes in, and CSPM stands for Cloud Security Posture Management to help address some of these issues. This category of tool is actually designed to constantly check and evaluate the control plane and the infrastructure settings for your cloud services, and validate them against cloud best practices, against governance and compliance standards that your organization needs to meet. So that's it for today, but I posted some additional links and content on my YouTube channel. And if you like the video, please subscribe, please keep watching. I really appreciate it. And stay tuned for my next video on what buyers should look for when they're considering CSPM tools. As always, thanks for watching and take care.